Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Autodesk AutoCAD. In this session, we will learn about drawing arcs. An arc is a portion of circle. The total angle of an arc is always less than 360 degrees, whereas the total angle of a circle is 360 degrees. AutoCAD provides with 11 ways to draw an arc. We can draw arcs in different ways by using the tools available in the Arcs drop-down of the Draw panel. In this session, we will learn different ways one by one. First one is a 3-point arc. Here, we will assign 3 points to get an arc. Next is a start, center, end. For this one, we have to give a start point, we have to give it a center point, and then an end point. In this way, we get the similar arc but with a different way. Then is a start, center, angle. Now we have to give a start point, a center point, and an angle. Let's give it an angle. Like this, we got the similar arc again. Next is a start, center, length. We will give a start point, a center point, and we will specify a length. And we get the similar arc again. Next is start and angle. We give a start point, an end point, and an angle. Like this, we will get a similar arc with this option as well. In next example, we will use start and direction. Start point, end point, and then a specific direction. Let's give it this value to get a similar arc as before, but with a new technique. The next one is start and radius. We give a start point, an end point, and a radius. Here it is, a similar arc with a new way. Then we have center, start, and end. Something like this. So we give it a center point, the start point, and the end point to get the same arc as before. You see, I tried to give it an angle, but it didn't work as it gave an error. We have to specify the center, start, and end. Otherwise, it will give an error. Next, we have a center, start, and angle. So we give it a center point, start point. This time I have to give an angle like this. And we got the same arc as before. The last one is center, start, and length. We give a center point, a start point, and a specific length like before. And in this way, we got a same arc with very different and variety of ways. So you have seen the Autodesk AutoCAD is very versatile. You can create a similar type of geometry with a number of ways. So we learn another thing as well. When I will be doing some exercises, there is no hard and fast rule to create a specific geometry with one method. There might be other methods that would come to your mind. However, I will try to use the simplest way possible. So this was all about arcs. See you in next session. Till then, take care.